Part B, according to Mwongozo, the Code of Governance for State Corporations, the conduct of board meetings may be undertaken through televideo conferencing in the case where some of the participants might not be physically present. Assess 5 guiding principles for such board meetings. Assess 5 guiding principles for such board meetings. These are virtual meetings. All right? Virtual meetings. Part B. Candidates were to give guidelines. Televideo conferencing. These are virtual meetings. These are guidelines for virtual Now, this question we have answered many times, but we'll not skip it. We'll still answer it. 1. Guideline for virtual meetings is accessibility and inclusivity. Accessibility and inclusivity. Accessibility and inclusivity. The guiding principles emphasize that board meetings conducted via televideo conferencing should ensure accessibility and inclusivity for all participants, and adequate arrangements should be made to facilitate the active participation of remote attendees and enable effective communication. Accessibility and inclusivity. 2. Security and confidentiality. Security and confidentiality. The principle of security and confidentiality highlights the importance of maintaining the security and confidentiality of televideo conferencing platform used for board meetings, and measures such as passwords protection, encryption, and even restricted access should be implemented to safeguard sensitive information. Security and confidentiality. Technology we have a guiding principle around technology and connectivity. Technology and connectivity. Technology and connectivity. The guiding principle around technology and connectivity is that, or we can say emphasizes the need for reliable technology, reliable connectivity to support seamless communication during virtual board meetings. And there ought to be adequate testing and backup arrangements which should be in place to mitigate any technical failures that may arise during the video conferencing meetings. Verification of participants. Verification of participants. To ensure the integrity of virtual board meetings, the principle of verification of participants recommends implementing platforms or mechanisms to verify the identity of remote participants, and that may include unique identification codes. It may include what we call two-factor authentication, or even other authentication protocols, verification of participants. 5, documentation. There's a principle around documentation and record keeping. Documentation and record keeping. Now, this principle emphasizes the importance of documenting and maintaining accurate records of virtual board meetings. There ought to be detailed minutes, including attendance, decisions, as well as actions, which should be prepared and preserved as part of the official records of the organization. Documentation and record keeping. So these are 5 guidelines for virtual board meetings: accessibility and inclusivity, security and confidentiality, technology and connectivity, verification of participants, documentation and record keeping. These are 5 guidelines. 5 marks.